We are now first going to stain the bowl on the inside, and for that we are going to use antique oak stain, which we just brush on the inside. The bowl is now wiped on the outside with wood stain. A liberal coat is then painted on and left to drip off the bowl to make its own pattern when dry. Afterwards, a coat of clear varnish is applied. The rim of the bowl is taped with masking tape to make it easier to mark the holes around the rim, and a hand drill with a 1.5 mm drill bit used to drill the holes. To make it easier to stitch the ostrich shell buttons and seed beads onto the leather is first stitched on loosely. I am using a strong thread used for leather work to sew on the shell buttons and seed beads. The needle is pushed from the back through the hole and a shell button is added, and then also a seed bead. The needle goes back through the shell button and pulled tight, and this process is then repeated to the end where the whelk shell is going to be attached. Keep in mind to check the tension as you go along to make sure that all the buttons and beads sit snugly against the leather. I have used a whelk trapdoor For the final decoration, which can either be stitched on or glued on. For your information, the whelk trapdoor belongs to a giant sea snail. You now have a lovely bowl to fill with nuts or sweets, and it will make a great gift. For our third project, we will make the bird feeder. For the bird feeder, we scrub and clean as before.
Okay.
The embroidery ring is used to mark the hole. And here we will see a perfect example of how the holes are made in the rural area. Please remember to use your dust mask. A smaller hole is made for the dowel. A dowel is then cut to about 5 inches long, and a small hole is carefully made below the larger hole in the bird feeder so that a dowel can be inserted and glued in for the birds to sit on. Cross beams have been glued onto this perch to make a comfortable platform for the birds. This bird feeder has been painted a pale green with a very easy pattern which will make it also ideal for children to make. A perfect family project. Hang your bird feeder in a tree and there you have the perfect restaurant for your flying garden visitors. From me, Esty, happy calabashing until next time when more applications will be demonstrated. Thank you.